At this point, the Public Attorney's Office will be presenting a statuette of Lady Justice and a certificate of appreciation that reads as follows. Public Attorney's Office presents a certificate of appreciation to Attorney Glenn Chong for being an outstanding civic advocate, in deep appreciation for his invaluable support and contribution to the Public Attorney's Office, which led to the success of the 4th National Convention of Rank and File Employees of the Public Attorney's Office on February 6 to 8, 2019 at the 10th sitting of the Manila Hotel, 1 Rizal Park, 1099 Rojas Boulevard, Ermita, Manila. Given this 8th day of February 2019 in Manila, Philippines, signed Dr. Persida V. Rueda Acosta, DSD, Chief Public Attorney. At this juncture,
I forgot pala. I really thank the Public Attorney's Office. From the bottom of my heart, ang tumulong talaga sa kaso nito, si Chief Persida Acosta at si Dr. Erwin Jeffrey. I really forgot to say that kanina, nagmamadali ako. But I won't leave this place without thanking the Public Attorney's Office and every one of you guys. Maraming salamat.
At this juncture, may I request all our employees to stand up and go to the middle for our picture taking. Again, Attorney Glenn Chong, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for sharing your time with us.
Okay. In a short while, we have to come to the end of our pre-convention days. Our minds are being always with the lectures and speeches that we heard, and our hearts are being filled with joy and warmth. Susubukan at